Now you go hit that light.
What light?
What's under there?
Do you like it? Daddy, open it.
Go ahead.
Yeah, you can open it.
Daddy.
What?
Do you like it? Daddy, did you die?
Sit on it, Max.
Yes, down.
Max, that's all yours. Happy birthday. It really works. Oh, God.
He really does know how to work it.
And then you have to hold this up.